Hey guys, how's it going? Which tool is best for creating a website without coding? So, for creating a website without coding, Wix Studio is more suitable tool compared to Figma. Wix Studio is a low-code platform designed specifically for website creation, offering drag and drop functionality, pre-built designs, and integrated and pre-built templates and integrated business solutions, enabling users to build and publish websites without any coding knowledge. In contrast, and you can just go ahead right here and click design site, right? And you could go ahead and generate a design or pick a template. In my case, I'm gonna just pick a template, a free template, right? For that example, let's have an example, this one. So I'm gonna view it beforehand, right? And if you want to edit or if you want to use that site, you can just go ahead and click edit right here, pop-up window just. So you can use the Wix Studio features to design your website, right? And use a pre-built templates or leverage AI for designing your preferred website. In contrast, Figma is primarily designed prototype that you can go back to and prototyping tool used for creating website layouts and user interfaces. While it excels in design collaboration, it does not provide direct website building or publishing capabilities. However, you can design in Figma and export your design to maybe Wix Studio with the coding. That would take that will take a lot of you need to use a prototype and all that stuff. So you need to get it flow, right? And you can use that design, right, to click share and copy the link and import it to or copy the prototype link and get the embed code and add it to web or Wix Studio, right, to enhance them with no code animations, built-in business solutions, and more. So by clicking the share button, you're going to be able to copy the link or get the embed code and add it to your Wix Studio, right? Therefore, if your goal is to create and publish a website without coding, Wix Studio is the more appropriate choice for you. You can hit the publish right away at the top right, and while Figma requires that you add a prototype and animations in order to get that going. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.